Let's have another example regarding the components of a force. So again, let's have here our axis, okay, like this. This is the u-axis and this is the v-axis. Now this time, let's have here a force that is pointing towards the origin of our axis. For this problem, let's have a 20 Newton force. Okay, this angle here is 20 degrees and another angle here which is, let's say this is 15 degrees. Okay, so the angle of the force to the u-axis is 20, the angle towards v is 15 degrees. Now, to solve this, we won't be minding about the arrow first. We solve it like usual. We create parallelogram. Okay, starting at this point. So this one represents f sub v since it's the one parallel to the v-axis, and this one is f sub u. So let's take out the triangle and I will write it here in an enlarged version. So I have this triangle. The arrow is pointing here, and this is my 20 Newton force. So this is 20 Newtons. This one is the V component, and the other one is the U component. Okay, so since that is 20 degrees, we write here 20 degrees. The other one is 15 degrees. And this one, it's 180 minus 20 plus 15 degrees. So it's 180 minus 35, which is 145 degrees. So this one is 145 degrees. Now, using again the law of sines, you can get 20 newtons over the sine of the opposite angle, which is 145 degrees, is equal to f sub u over the angle opposite u, which is the 15 degrees. So it's a sine of 15 degrees. And this comes out, or this tells us that fu is, let's see, I'm using calculator to solve for this one. So it's 20 sine of 15 over sine of 145. I have here fu, which is 9.02 newtons. And again, using the law of sines, we have 20 over sine of 145 is equal to f sub v over the sine of the angle opposite f sub v, which is a 20-degree angle, so sine 20 degrees. This gives us f sub v. Okay, this gives us f sub v is 11.93 newtons. And now, what is the significance of this arrowhead? It has something to do with the direction of our components. So since this is towards the origin, we expect that our components will also be pointing towards the origin. So if these are the components, the u component should be pointing towards the origin. So f sub u will be like that, and the v component is similar to this one, so it should be pointing to the origin. So something like that. So that's the significance of the arrowhead. Now if it is pointing away, then the components would also be pointing away from the origin. So this one points away from the origin, this one points away from the origin. So it's all about where is the direction of our vector. So we have here fu is 9.02 and fp is 11.93. Now for other cases, sometimes it's specified that these are the positive u and v axis, and since This is pointing to the other direction of the positive u-axis. Then we say that fu is should be negative and fp should also be negative. And those signs are not taken from the sign law. So it's a very different answer actually. Fu is a negative 9.02. This is considering the direction, or Fu is 9.02 newtons to somewhat to the left, and Fb is 11.93 newtons down to the left. So this is my final answer for a complete answer for this one, the components. So take note. Okay, we note that this law of sines yields only the magnitude of the components, and not the complete components, considering the direction. So you need to draw, to learn how to draw, to analyze the figure, so that you will get a complete answer. Okay, thank you, and watch more videos in my channel, and don't forget